China has announced a major advancement in hypersonic technology, claiming successful testing of its Oblique Detonation Engine. This revolutionary engine reportedly reached Mach 16 during tests conducted at the JF-12 shock tunnel in Beijing. If verified, this would place China at the forefront of hypersonic propulsion technology. According to Chinese Academy of Sciences researchers, the ODE operates using standard jet fuel or P3 but features a combustion rate 1,000 times faster than conventional scramjet engines. Additionally, its combustion is 85% smaller, making it more efficient, lightweight, and ideal for next-generation hypersonic aircraft, drones, and missiles. These engines could potentially enable aircraft to reach unprecedented speed while maintaining fuel efficiency and maneuverability. Alongside this breakthrough, China has also successfully tested a new hypersonic air-to-air missile designed to neutralize high-value enemy aircraft such as the US B-21 Raider and B-21 Spirit steel bombers. This missile reportedly flies at Mach 9 and has an operational range of 1,000 km, making it one of the most advanced air-to-air weapons ever developed. China is reportedly working on integrating both the Mach 16 hypersonic engine and hypersonic missiles into its new 6th generation stealth fighter, the J-36. If successful, this could result in a hypersonic capable fighter jet armed with hypersonic weapons, creating a lethal combination of speed, stealth, and firepower. With a hypersonic engine, the J-36 could reach its target at unmatched speeds, making it extremely difficult to intercept. Combined with hypersonic air-to-air missiles, it would become a direct threat to enemy bombers and even advanced fighter jets. If these developments prove successful, China could redefine aerial warfare by dramatically reducing enemy reaction time and maintaining complete air superiority.